In this video I'm going to show you how to auto reframe in Premiere Pro. So already I open a footage, so see the footage video. The object is moving left side, right side. If you wanted to make this footage in 1080 by 1920, click and drag into here. Okay, on this video, click, go control, effect control, and place it. Little bit. Yeah, I'm satisfied. Okay, see, you now select the footage, go to effect, type here auto reframe, click, drag and drop into the footage. This automatically analyze in back, and go to the effect control and see here, this make automatically some keyframe. Okay, see, this is make some keyframe. Okay, previous one, and this is the previous footage, and this is auto frame footage. Okay, let's see, play. So object is in frame always. And so sometimes you are working in a project, so you want to make the whole project. See, like I make this project, I want to make this project for Instagram IGTV. Okay, this sequence as queue, find here, select, right click, auto frame. See, the italic is open. Now you can decide which will be your frame size. I make it 9:16 ratio. Okay, so here is the do not nest my clips. It means if you check this one, this Premiere Pro automatically make a nest clip, then you can add any effect or any color correction, anything. I do not want to. And creating, see, right side bottom part, it analyzes the clips, and see, play the footage. So this is good, right? So hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.